Hardwiring a thermostat means wiring it to the furnace or air handler's 24-volt common and power wires, so the thermostat has continuous direct power instead of relying on batteries. Hardwiring a thermostat requires locating the transformer bundle at the furnace or air handler, identifying the red wire for 24-volt power and the common wire for continuous return, and running a 5-conductor cable from that control board to the thermostat location so each function has its dedicated conductor. If you only have 2 wires, you can still add a common by fishing a new cable or installing a power extender kit at the air handler, which is a proven workaround when running new cable is impractical. Test the control board terminals with a multimeter first to confirm you have a stable 24-volt AC supply and that the common is not switched. Unstable voltage or a floating common causes intermittent powering or system confusion. Use screw terminal connections and secure strand ends with small ferrules or solder to prevent stray strands from shorting to ground inside the furnace cabinet. When replacing a thermostat, label every wire with painter's tape and a permanent marker before disconnecting so color mismatches or legacy wiring do not create a miswired control that could damage the equipment. For modern smart thermostats that need continuous power, verify the unit's minimum common current draw and compare it with the furnace transformer ratings. If the transformer is undersized, replace it with a correctly rated 24-volt transformer rather than trying to piggyback with accessories. If you encounter a system with a shared ground or an electronic control module that uses proprietary signaling, consult the equipment manufacturer's schematic and, when in doubt, install an isolation relay to translate between the thermostat output and the equipment input to avoid damaging low-voltage electronics. Always shut off power at the service switch and tag it, then double-check with a non-contact voltage tester before touching terminals to eliminate risk of shock or shorting sensitive control electronics. One of the most common thermostat wiring mistakes is misidentifying the common wire when troubleshooting and leaving the thermostat dependent on batteries, which results in smart thermostat reboots and loss of scheduling. Fix it by tracing the cable to the control board and confirming the wire on the C terminal is a true common and not a switched or sensor line. One of the frequent installation errors is using an undersized transformer or an overloaded transformer from added accessories, causing low 24-volt AC and intermittent thermostat behavior. Correct this by measuring no load and loaded voltage, and replacing the transformer with one rated for the thermostat plus accessories, or install a separate 24-volt transformer. One of the common problems is poor wire preparation, frayed strands or loose sets at screw terminals causing shorts or intermittent connections. Remedy that by trimming, tinning, or using ferrules on stranded conductors, firmly seating them under the terminal screw, and using strain relief clamps at both the thermostat and the control board. BigHomeProjects.com lists local HVAC contractors and verified installers who know proper thermostat hardwiring techniques and can perform transformer upgrades or cable pulls when needed. We help homeowners find trusted local professionals and help quality contractors get work by connecting projects with verified leads and clear job descriptions.